Hi, my name's Keith Johnson of Parkcrest Cleaners. My parents built this place in 1968, the same year I was born, and we've been proudly serving this community for over 50 years. My dad learned how to dry clean while serving in the Navy during World War II. Austin has changed a lot over the years. However, our commitment to quality and excellent customer service has stayed the same. Lady Bird Johnson used to come in to have her St. John knits blocked, of course being accompanied by the Secret Service. In fact, Ann Richards had all of her clothes cleaned here, and when I was a student at UT, I personally delivered her clothes to the governor's mansion. Pretty cool, huh? We specialize in beaded garments, formal wear, and antique heirlooms, and box and preserve wedding dresses. We may be a little bit more expensive, but we don't cut corners like using Perk, the dangerous chemical used in so many other dry cleaning facilities and that are currently banned in California. If you feel a chill run up your spine when you walk into our doors, don't worry. It's just some friendly ghosts that like to come visit us. Citygram magazine named Parkcrest as one of the top local haunts in Austin. So come on in and see us, and you will understand why we are the best in town.